Facebook save audience is very much important for any kind of e-commerce or service oriented leads website. In this video I will show you how to create the Facebook save audience with the video and the website. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, just go to the ad manager. So I just go to the ad manager here and look at that and just click the all tools, and that is our audience section. So I just go to our audience section, and first of all I just change our page, and I already make the two videos about the Facebook save audience and the custom audience with Facebook page and Instagram page. So I just go to the custom audience section and select the video, and just next button, click the next button. There are many options here, the whose people at least 3 seconds see my video, the 10 second, the 15 second, the 25%, the 50%, 75%, and the 95%. All of the audience in the important. As the e-commerce business or related website, you can choose this percentage, and the service oriented related website you can choose the all kind of things. So as the e-commerce related website, I just select the 25%, the 50%, and the most important and most potential client or customer are the 95%. And we just select the video section here. I just select the page. Okay, just select the page, and there are many kind of video here. So I just select these videos and the continue, and there another is the continue here, the another is I also continue. Okay, and select the another video here. So all my video is already done. And the e-commerce related website, you can must be use date about 15 or the 30, and write the name the video audience in 95%. Okay, just write the name and just save it. Okay, done. So that is the preparing things. It's need a few minutes, then it's ready. Now we can create the another potential and very important customer and client for me, and any kind of e-commerce service or service oriented website, that is the website. So just click the website, and just we just select our source name, and that is the many options here, the page view, the all website visitor, the page view, the page viewer, the engagement viewer, the add to cart person, the checkout person, the purchase person, all kind of things are important. You can create the individual audience, and you can create the also there are many kind of audience, like I just select the first of all the including the all visitors in last 3 months in the 19 days, and then including more people about the first page view. I can choose also the 90 days, the 90 days, and I can also select the more, and that's I can select the add to cart person just last 2 months, and include the all another people, the initial checkout people around last 45 days, and include the another people, the checkout sorry, I also select the add to cart, begin checkout, and also create the purchase. Okay, and last 30 days, sorry, last 30 days. Okay, I can select the all kind of audience for me, and there is a two method here, the or method, and we can select the all. There is the and method. Or method or and method, that is the basically that change is the or method means land your website and just they go back, and another people just land your website, and he check out your website, the first page, the home page, and they click the add to cart option, but they not purchase it, say return back. So that is or method. And the and method is the rules say that people land your website and click the add to cart option, click the initial checkout option, and click the purchase option. All kind of actions he match, then he show their ads. But their or method is not like that. Our method says that any kind of people. Just land your page view option, land your home page, he click add to cart, he click the checkout option, and he click the purchase option. Then he that's select the all kind of ads, he see that. And then we can also select there are frequently they purchase it, and there are at least 1% people, because at least one product they buy, and they are and he just see my product ads. And I just write the name here, the website purchase people. Okay, and just create it. And just click the done options, and you see that there is a there is a two audience. Just prepare it, and when I can use it, so just click that the campaign options. Okay. And just click the new campaign here. Okay, just select the sales option and go to the manual. And we just go to the our ad set options, and basically we include the location, and we select the see more, no, look like that, and we select the original audience, and there is my custom audience. So look at that, there is a many custom audience here. Our video audience is 95%, our website purchase including people, I can select it, and there is a many potential audience here. So that is the whole process, how to create it and how to use it your use it your campaigns. So I hope you can understand it, how to create it and how to use it. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.